Welcome back. Depending on parameters and return type, we have 4 Lambda expression types: with parameters and return type, with parameters and no return value, no parameters but with return value, no parameters and no return value. We created before this Lambda expression and we assign it to this variable called add. And we learned that it took into the parameters integers, 2 integers, and return value is of type integer. The second type is with parameters and no return value. I'll create val add 2, and here I specify the parameters, it's of type integers, the arrow, and here no return value, and it's assigned to unit. Unit is the return type. In Kotlin, unit is similar to void in other languages and signifies that the Lambda expression doesn't return any meaningful value. So there is no return value. Equals to A, B, and this Lambda expression will only print the addition of A and B. It will not return anything. So if I try to print the add2, I need to call add2 and pass the arguments 5 and 5. Run the program. I get 10, but with Kotlin and .unit. And to get rid of this, just call the Lambda expression that will print addition of 5 and 5. So print ln 5 plus 5. Run, and here we go, 8 and 10. Let's move to the third type. Here we have no parameters, but with return value. For example, val add 3, no parameters, and the arrow, and it will return for us a string equals to welcome to our course. If I call add 3 like this, or I can add invoke method. Run. Nothing shown because its returning type is a string, and this method returns a string. We need to display this string, so for that I need to include it inside println function like this. Run now, and here we go. It took no parameters and returned a string. The fourth type is no parameters and no return type. For example, add 4, no parameters, no return type. So I'll use unit, which is void, equals to println no parameters, no return value. Then add 4 dot invoke. Here I am using println, so there is no need to include it inside println. Run. And here we go. No params, no return value. There's a small note that I should mention it. You can direct use Lambda expression in println or any other places. For example, println. Here I'll create a Lambda expression without assigning it to a variable and then calling this variable. For example, A, it's of type int. B, it's of type int. That gives us A times B. And here I call the arguments 4 and 5. Here is the Lambda expression, and here are the arguments. And I'm calling this Lambda expression directly, then I'm specifying their arguments. Run the program, and we can get the value of 20, which is 4 times 5, included in this body of this Lambda expression.